Hannah Tossell, I'm 30, I'm studying the BA in Business full-time in Neath College. I went to Glanavon Comprehensive, then I went to Avon College where I studied English, Welsh and French. I then went into work in insurance, then had my children and then came back and stumbled across this course to do business. After a conversation with the course tutor, she told me there was quite a small class. And after doing a bit of research on the website, it pointed me in this direction. It suited my life and it was more of a personal experience then. You weren't just a number in a big lecture theatre. It was one-to-one sometimes suited towards you. I was between kind of the marketing aspect and just knowing what goes on behind the scenes of business. The business degree that's offered you offers a bit of a combination. You look at marketing, you look at finance, you look at multiple different aspects of business. So it gives you then a holistic view in order to make the right career path when you finish. As a HE student, there's a HE common room. As you're only based in a couple of rooms, you can stay and hang out in there, so you haven't got to, walk around the college. You've got spaces to get your work done. Throughout the 3 years, both online and in person, the support was absolutely amazing. You could ring and just speak to a lecturer as soon as we turned virtual. But while we were here, if we needed to just go knock on the office door, it was always open. There was always someone to talk to, both for personal life and for studying. They were amazing, to be fair. I've had a bit of an interest in 3 years, gaining 2 more members to my family, and yet the support was second to none. It is a bit tricky balancing home and work, getting your uni work done and getting, dealing with the family. It was important to have a routine for both. I had set hours, I did uni work. It's to be honest where the benefit of having those small classrooms come into play. I did 99% of my work here. So when I went home, it was just touching up or submitting. It wasn't as much pressure. While doing my business research project as part of our final year, I was looking more at the marketing aspect of both MPTC Group and our competitors. And it sparked a drive in me to want to look into that aspect of a career. So it then encouraged me to apply for a job here and a few jobs here. I've also then applied to do my PGC in September, because if I can give somebody else the experience that I've been given, then I think that's an ideal thing. I've had so many doors open for me by studying here, and even as a mature student, I've kind of now been able to start my career, which I wouldn't have been able to do both confidence-wise and ability if you'd asked me the same question 3 years ago.